Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, so let's do it. And since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on this 3 bars icon, and on the second bar with the options we've got the timer, which is right now turned off because this option with the clock icon is highlighted, but we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So in order to set the timer, just tap on the option you'd like to use. I will pick 10 seconds. As you can see right now, it is highlighted and it is surrounded with the yellow color, so it means that it has been applied. We can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. Let's check, for example, 3 seconds delay. The same situation right now, it is highlighted, and the same situation right now, it is counting down from 3. So in order to turn it off, just tap on this clock icon, and as you can see, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.